Nancy, good morning, all of you. Can I? Okay, so are you able to see the screen? Are you all able to see the screen? Chale, fine. Thank you. We are going to proceed on with S17 paper 3-2. Fine. First question is of biology, second chemistry, the third is going to be of physics. Just a minute. Okay, so we are going to proceed with 4-2, that is the extended one. Hanji. First is your question number 3. Okay, let's go on with this. Okay, so a list of metals are shown: aluminium, copper, iron, lead, uranium. From the list of the metals, choose one to match each of the description. So the blanks are given to you, statements are given to you. Kindly read it out and then we are going to discuss. A part, and this is of 1 mark. Okay, read it, then we are going to talk about it. Yes, bacha. From the list of the following metals, choose one to match each description. Each metal can be used once. So 3 blanks are given, 5 metals are given. You have to write one metal once. Out of 5 means 3 are going to be there. No. Each metal can be used once, more than once, or not at all. मतलब हो सकता है you can use it again and again as well. Or maybe there is the metal which cannot be used. 3 blanks and so 5 not possible. Okay. It may be easily magnetized. So which is the metal which can be easily magnetized? Hanji Vardha.
Iron.
Iron. Very good. So iron is the correct answer over here. It is useful as a fuel in the nuclear power station. Which one we are using as a fuel in the nuclear power station? Hanji Navjot.
Uranium.
Uranium. Very good. Okay. Third is it is used in the core of transformer. Okay. We have done the concept of transformer. And which one we use there? Hanji Bacha. Navjot.
Ma'am, copper.
नहीं बेटा, ट्रांसफॉर्मर में हमने कौन सा यूज किया था? ऑन विच वी हैव द कॉइल, कॉपर।
मैम शायद आयरन,
हाँ,
आयरन मैम।
आयरन किया था ना, सॉफ्ट आयरन वी आर यूजिंग देयर,
यस मैम।
सॉफ्ट आयरन यूज की थी, that is acting as a core of the transformer, and above that we have the copper. Is it clear, Navjot? Fine. So that soft iron we use, so that is used as a core, so the answer is iron. Okay, first option iron, second is uranium, third is iron. Next is B part. Copper has a boiling point of 2562 degrees Celsius. State what is the meaning of boiling point. Hanji, what is boiling point? That's easy, a simple definition they asked. Yes, Jasmine beta. Let me just Hanji, Jasmine.
Ma'am, it is the temperature where the liquid changes into gases.
Yes, the temperature above which the liquid is changed into, not above which, the temperature where it starts changing from liquid to the gaseous form. Very good. Okay, next question. When the liquid boils, the energy is required, but the temperature remains the same. When the liquid boils, the energy is required, but the temperature remains the same. Explain what is happening to the molecules. Use the term latent heat in your answer. मतलब आपने explain करना है what is actually happening to the molecules when you boil the liquid. Fine. But in your answer, you are going to use the word latent heat as well. Like based upon latent heat and molecules. Hanji beta. Who is going to tell? Jasmine, are you going to tell? Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, like the molecules will be heated, they will be changed in the gaseous form.
They will be, नहीं ठीक है, they will change into the gaseous form. That is when the boiling start, है ना? वो तब होगा
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
पानी का वेपर्स बनने शुरू हो जाएंगे. They are saying when the liquid boils, जब हम उसको like you have that pan of water on the gas, ठीक है? बॉयल नहीं होना स्टार्ट हुआ अभी, टेम्परेचर वेरिएशंस नहीं आई, ठीक है? What is going to happen to the molecules in that case? Like before, one step before the boiling. What happens one step before the boiling? Just think a little. Okay, Hansi, no one? Chale, look onto the screen. Look onto the screen. Liquid, when you just start boiling it, ठीक है? Liquid is in which state? Liquid is in the liquid state. Fine. Liquid state means the molecules are not so close, but they are not so away from one another. Fine. There are small spaces into it. Gaseous form में क्या होता है? The spaces are more. Fine. Acha, when we have done the states of matter, this is, let's say, your gaseous state. One thing we have done in this, that their states are bending upon, depending upon how much spaces are there in between the molecules. Like solid में we don't have the spaces at all, ठीक है? Or a rare space is there. Liquid में we have a little more space. Gaseous में molecules के साथ साथ they are very far away from one another, means there is a huge space in between. Yes. One more thing we have done, that in solid, the molecules, they don't have any space in between because they are very strongly attracted towards one another. The force of attraction is very strong. Yes or no? In liquid, the force of attraction is less. In gas, it is very less. So जब हमने liquid को gas में change करना है, which is the force of attraction, we have to break that. Got it? The molecules, they are having the force. That is why gases की तरह they are not able to spread so much, because they still have the force of attraction between them. So the first, like, you know, when you keep the pan onto the gas, it is not that as soon as you keep it onto the gas it start boiling. ऐसे नहीं होता है. First it get the heat, और थोड़ी देर तक पानी गर्म होता है means that it take that heat and it use that heat to break the bonds. And after that, once all bonds are break, then it changes to the vapors form. ऐसे ही होता है. It take at least 2 to 5 minutes and then only the boiling starts, not in a sudden, because the first few minutes are taken to break the bonds, the attraction forces, to overcome those attraction forces. Is this point clear, bacha? Solids may, there is a huge attraction. That is why the solid molecules are like this. This is one molecule. This is the second molecule, and they are very close to one another. The reason behind, because the attraction force between them is very strong. If you talk about liquid, one molecule is here, the second molecule is a little far away, क्योंकि attraction force है, but less as compared to that of solid. And when you talk about the gases, they are like this, very far away from one another. It means the attraction force is very less or very negligible. It is not there. Fine. So when we give heat to the water, the first few minutes are just to break the bonds which are present here. And after that, the boiling starts. I hope it is clear to you now. Okay. Okay, now comes one more thing. You have to use the word latent heat into it. है ना? अगर आप सिर्फ यही लिख के आओगे that to overcome the bonds, the break the bonds, to overcome the attraction force, it is not going to be sufficient. You will not get the full marks. You have to use the word latent heat into it. Now, any guesses how we are going to have that? Now, what I said, what I explained to you, you have to write that only, but use the word latent heat in your answer. Anji, just try it. So my dear students, the answer is the same, beta. You have to write that when the liquid boils, the energy. See, the question is, Anji, when the liquid boils, the energy is required, but temperature remains the same due to latent heat of vapor, latent heat of vaporization. Fine. First, that heat is used, latent heat that is used to break the bonds, and then only the boiling starts. That's it. So you have to use the latent heat there. So we हेयर हमने क्या किया है, लिक्विड से बॉईल करा है ना, सो वी यूज द लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइजेशन. चले, आई होप द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर नाउ. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट. हाँ जी, नाउ दिस इज फ्रॉम द लास्ट यूनिट, है ना, चैप्टर 5, सॉरी यूनिट 5, दैट इज द एटॉमिक फिजिक्स. Okay, an isotope of copper has a nuclide notation Cu6429 and decay by the emission of beta particles. अब इस चीज को याद रखना है, there is going to be the beta emission to produce the isotope of zinc. और बनेगा क्या हमारे पास, जिंक बनेगा. कॉपर है, when you go with the beta decay you will get the zinc. Use the correct nuclide notation to write the symbol equation for this decay process. Okay, try to write out the beta equation. Beta mein what you have, there will be just one electron. Yes, the same symbol as that of the electron. Please write it down. And keep this in mind, if you're not able to write it down, that's not at all good, because इस चैप्टर में सिर्फ यही क्वेश्चन है which is every time in the exam. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि अल्फा की नोटेशन क्या है, बीटा की नोटेशन क्या है, और गामा में तो there is just the energy loss. हाँ जी, बीटा is just like of electron, alpha is just that of helium. Okay, go with the beta notation. One blank I have filled for you. Now I guess you are able to do the next one. Beta 0 minus 1. हाँ जी वर्धा.
मैम जिंक होगा 64 और मैम 30, क्योंकि मैम उसमें एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड हो जाएगा.
Very good, very good. So they are saying that after the beta. हाँ जी
मैम तो ये बीटा जो आपने लिखा था 0 और -1,
yes
मैम ये वही था ना कि इलेक्ट्रॉन उसमें लिए थे मैम, जो बीटा है.
हाँ जी, लेकिन हमने वो लिखना भी है ना, when we go with the copper emission they are saying that you get two things. They have not told you what you get. They said the decay will be beta particle and produce zinc. मतलब बीटा पार्टिकल डिके होगा, उसके बाद जिंक बनेगा. तो one thing is you get the zinc Zn. Second is obviously there is going to be the beta particle. Whatever they say, अल्फा होगा तो अल्फा लिखेंगे, बीटा होगा तो बीटा, गामा होगा तो गामा. Fine. चले. Now is the balancing. Copper 64. So 64 plus 0 तभी 64 बनेगा. Fine. What you have to do is, कैसे करना है आपने ये, you have to check what is written here. देखो दोनों साइड पे बैलेंस होना चाहिए. टॉप में it is written the mass number, it is written 64. तो बीटा डिके में है 0. 0 में how much you are going to add to get 64? Obviously 64. Then denominator में you have 29, atomic number 29 of copper. Okay, dash minus 1 gives you 29. Dash minus 1 gives you 29. So किस में से 1 को minus करोगे so that you can get 29? Obviously that is the 30. So this is your question. And children, this is of 3 marks. 3 marks. Fine. So the answer key, the marking scheme can be the correct symbols. क्योंकि symbols भी zinc का symbol नहीं दिया, बीटा का दिया है, zinc का नहीं दिया. It can be the symbol. Then 1 mark for each of the blank. 64, 30 and 0 minus 1. Fine. Okay, can we move on? हाँ जी, is this clear to all beta?